So, how to think about transforming your culture. Okay. Here, so here's some things you can do. Start by role modeling the behaviors you want to see. It's no good saying it's one thing for you, it's another thing for us. The board is not immune or separate from the rest of the organization. We always think that attitudes predict behavior. Behavior affects our attitudes. It's the other way around. So role model it so that people can see what you mean. Um, Board assessments should give feedback from every individual. Make sure all voices are heard. You have to insist on employee engagement surveys and start cutting up the data and looking at, do men react differently from women, at this level of the organization versus that level of the organization? Are white and non-white employees, or whatever, thing here makes a difference, or this division versus that division. Really important here. That will tell you a lot about it. Obviously, your CEO matters. Don't assume culture is going to continue despite the CEO's behavior. The CEO's behavior, right? That's is going to create culture. And probably the study I'm best known for out there in the academic world is showing exactly that how the CEO interacts determines what the culture of the business is going to be, and that has impact on the bottom line. So reward the right people, people who act as you would like, not just the ones who make the numbers. And that is one of the hardest things to do. This person doesn't act in a way that is consistent with the culture, but by God, they always deliver results. That is a problem. And the hardest thing I've ever done is to let people go who are brilliant performers, but who will not play in the way the culture needs to happen, right? Whatever that is.